What do you think? Nails were $3 and the glue was, I think, $1 or $2. Fix my nails with me. Hit the subscribe button, guys. I love it. Hello everyone, this is Rosemary. I am gonna fix these nails. I've never fixed external artificial. I mean, I've done the one with the powder acrylic. I think I don't know what they call it. I don't know anything about hairs and nails. But anyway, I got this one for $2.99 at a beauty store, and I got a different nail glue, the Kiss Max Speed nail glue. So let's get started. Oh, it's only 10. Well, I hope it's the same with my fingers. I may not be doing this right, but you know, as the first time for everything. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't, and click the like button and comment if you have a better recommendation, please. Like it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my nails with the baby's clipper. Okay. It actually has some glue inside already. See? So we're gonna go ahead and put the other ones. What I did is I trimmed my finger and then, you know, filed it and all that stuff. Go ahead and be all girly. I feel like this might be a little difficult because one of this. And I think the nail glue was just about $2. Well, like I said earlier, I may be doing this wrong, guys, but your girl gotta learn. There's always a first time for everything. Like this glue is dried off so fast. And the last one, guys. I think I made a mistake earlier. I left it open. Dang it. Okay. So already, this already has some glue in them. This also has some glue. So I could just easily stick it into stick. It had some already. I'm not a nail person, that's the funny thing. Oh my god. This is the first time this year I'm getting my nails done. I think I painted it last week during Melvin's graduation. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? I'm not a nail person, so this should be out by tomorrow or next. Especially when I go back to work. So, but I'm gonna enjoy this. It's turning out very good. And if I like it, I'm gonna get the ones that are neutral color. So that way, I'm just gonna file it like I filed the other one, because this girl cannot do long nails. I know it's not too long, but I feel like it's long. And that's why I decided to do the baby's hair and see if I needed to crochet my own hair. Alright guys, please let me know in the comment section what you think. It's actually my first time, so I think if you like it, I'm just gonna get more videos of get more nails. They are really nice ones, but I'm like, I've never done this before, especially on myself. I don't even know if they're real. So I will let you know in the description box how long it took before they fell off. And also the name of the glue I'm using is Bring the Salon Home Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. That's how it looks. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't followed, follow us, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Like and share, comment on this video, let me know what you think. And for those brands, your girl is open. I'm open to try your nails. Please send them. I'll make videos, I'll promote them for you. Especially the weeks I'm not working. I like them. Thank you for watching.